we've got some mobile signs here. And this is your classic mobile gas with the Pegasus on it. Kind of dirty stuff. I'll show how to clean it in a minute. But anyway, this one's dated 47, was used up into the 54, maybe 55, 56, something like this. So this is iconic, real sign. You can tell by the age, wear, and then stuff like this. Well, then we have this sign here is Mobil Premium. Okay, and it's dated 54. Well, this sign here has the wrong logo for the year. This logo here, they didn't use until 62 or 66 or something. I'm not for sure the years, but until the 60s. And they never used premium with this different thing like this. With this logo and this logo, they didn't use premium. They used special and stuff like that. So that's kind of, you can tell this sign was fake. I mean, I got this in the collection of mobile signs. It's the only sign the guy had that, and he didn't even know it was fake. So like that. So that's kind of, you just got to know it seemed like when one company started changing our logo, they all changed. Before the war, during the Depression and stuff, there's a lot of companies that got bought out, and the companies that bought them out kept the old company's logos. But after World War II, nobody advertised for 4 or 5 years. So after the war, they all consolidated. So the biggest change after that was late 50s, early 60s. It seemed like everybody changed their logos. So that's a kind of a way to know that. And then I'm just showing you some other mobile signs. We call this the red O in mobile, and they got rid of the horse for a while, which was the biggest mistake in advertising as far as a lot of people are concerned. But this was used after 67, 66, sometime in there. So you got to know when this was used. And they never used special or that kind of stuff on that. And they got rid of the Pegasus for a while, and then they brought him back like in the 80s and 90s because it was such an iconic image. And then I just brought one more. This is kind of an iconic one. It's called it's called a drop leg. If you see where the leg goes down through the name, this is only used on the West Coast. And anytime, almost 90% of the time, anytime you see a black outline on a mobile sign, it's West Coast. There's a few exceptions, but most of the time. And then the East Coast and Midwest was blue outlines and such on. So